Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a timer to Snapchat. The process is quite simple and easy. The first thing to do is to open your Snapchat app. After it opens, you will see the plus sign on the right side of your mobile screen. Tap on this and scroll down. And here is the option timer. Tap on this one. Now, the timer has been set to my picture. This means the timer will be on if I try to capture an image. For example, I'll capture a photo. So you see, after 3 seconds, the picture is captured automatically, and you can also set this timer on your Snapchat video. And how can you do this? I'm going back from here. To add a timer to your video, you have to tap on this video icon. And here is the option timer. Tap on this one. Set a timer by yourself. For example, I will put this for 10 seconds and tap on the option to set the timer. Now, tap on this capture icon. Using this method, you can set a timer for your Snapchat photos and videos. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.